So the next question that we have is how we can optimize a custom hook. Okay, so if I am going to create a custom hook and we want to optimize our custom hook, then how is there any way we can do that? Yes, we have. Let's say we are creating a useRouter custom hook, right? And within this useRouter we are using this dispatch from this use context, right? And suppose we had created some actions, and right, so we want to dispatch to updates the state value, update the global state value that is managed within this use context, right? So to do this, we are just trying to so we had just imported this dispatch function, and we are consuming, we are just trying to consume this dispatch, right? So as you can see here, we had created a function that is navigate, and here we are using this use callback function. Here we are also using this use callback function, and by using this use callback function we are memorizing two different functions, right? So one is one having a task to dispatch this navigate type and the URL, and the second can dispatch this type back. So this this back button, so this back is used to go to this back page, and this navigate section is, and this navigate what I can say, and this navigate function is going to use to navigate between two pages, right? So to ensure that the consumers of our hook can optimize their own custom hook when needed. So this will ensure that our consumers, whoever is going to use our hooks, can optimize their own code whenever needed, right? So just by wrapping our functions within use callback, we can make sure that our components, our functions will not cause any re-renders to the component that are consuming our custom hooks.